Welcome to the Virtual Sleep 2021 event website. Through this site, you will be able to watch presentations, network with exhibitors and attendees, view e-posters, and much more. You will be prompted to log in immediately upon arriving at sleep2021.org. To log in, use the same credentials you used to register for the conference. After logging in, you will be prompted to complete your attendee profile before being directed to the home page. Once on the home page, click on the Full Schedule tile to review the Sleep 2021 agenda. To add a presentation to your personal schedule, simply click the star icon next to the presentation's name to mark it as a favorite. In addition to presentations, speakers and exhibitors can be favorited to appear in your personal agenda. To return to the home screen at any time, simply click Home at the top of the left-hand navigation menu. The virtual exhibit hall will be opening on June 11th. Each virtual booth displays information about the company, including ways to get in touch, as well as clickable informational documents, images, and videos. Interactive features allow you to connect with exhibitors and learn more by using one of the many forms of communication available in each booth. We encourage you to explore the website before the conference begins on June 10th and submit any questions you have to info@sleepmeeting.org. We can't wait to have you join us at Virtual Sleep 2021.